Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to crochet one of the motifs that are in this bedspread. One of my subscribers, Marian, she sent me this from United Kingdom. She said she had a crochet magazine and she had a picture and she would love to crochet this. So I sat and I tried to figure out how to crochet this. So as you can see, this is the only picture that I have. When you get closer, it's really hard to see, but I figured out how to crochet it after trying different times, I think I did about 2 motifs, and I will show you how to crochet this. And I just want to let you know that it is really, really fun. And I can't just, I just want to keep on going. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what I have made. My first motif, I just did 3 double crochets, but unfortunately it did not work. This is my second motif. And I believe this is my last one I made. The more you make it, the better it becomes. So I just want to point that out. So when you come closer, we're going to chain 5, and then we're going to make 6 double crochets, 2 chains between. Okay, and I just grabbed this yarn that I have in my stash. It's acrylic. Made in Turkey, Minnoş Kristal. Minnoş is the city of Van. Kitty cats that they have. Okay, and this is the yarn. It doesn't say which crochet hook you want, so I started with a 3. And this is 100 grams, so I made, I believe, 4 and a half. I started the 4th and it didn't last, so it uses up lots of yarn. Just want to point that out. If you have lots of yarn, grab it, and you can make it colorful. It doesn't have to be one color, but it has to be the same weight of the yarn, I would recommend. Okay, so let's get started on how to crochet this lovely Marianne's bedspread motif. I'll show you one, and I'll show you how to join. You just join while you're crocheting, and then you finish it. That's how I did it, because I don't want to join later on. And I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I had a comment that I'm taping so close. You know that you can make it smaller on your screen, so please do not comment things like that. It's annoying. Like, I'm trying to do my best here and I get a comment, oh, you're taping it so close, it's hard to see. Just play around with your computer. I would never ever comment anything like that to a like, I'm trying to do my best here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 3 chain would consider it as 1 double crochet, and the remaining 2 would be 2 chain, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and as you can see, while I'm crocheting, I'm weaving my end. That helps a bit. 2, 4, 5, and the last one, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain. Either you can slip stitch or do a single crochet while joining. Sometimes I do slip stitch, sometimes I do single crochet. chain 2. If you're crocheting tight, you can chain 3 to go up. Double crochet. Okay, I forgot to show you. Okay, we're not going to pull the last 2 loops, so we're going to go, this is the trick how I figured out this pattern. Pull 2 and then pull the remaining. So this is the trick that makes that V. Chain 2 on the same space. We're going to do it. We're going to repeat it. Pull 2, loop, pull 2, loop, pull 2, and then when you have all the loops, the 3 that we did the double crochet, we pull that once. Chain 2 and go to the next space, and we're going to just repeat what we did. 1, 2, and then pull that once. Again, chain 2. Just gonna grab my other one I already started. This is how it will look like when you do 2 in one space. Chain 2 between. There's always chain 2, and go to the next space. Pull 1. Make another one. Pull 1. Make another one. Pull 1, and then pull the remaining, just like this. Chain 2. Pull 1, and over. Pull 1. Pull 1. If you're a new learner, just rewind it, watch it very carefully. Like I can't do as, I'll try to do as slow here. It's really hard for me to do slow. Just like this. One more. And then we pull that once. Okay, it gives you that V. 2 chain, and on the same. 1, 2, 3, and pull it once. Chain 2. Okay, I'll show it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and pull it once. Chain 2, 1, 1, 2, and then the last one. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. Okay, so I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to jump here. Okay, I'm going to do a single crochet or a slip stitch, and I'm going to chain 2 to go up, so this would be considered as 1 crochet. I'm going to pull 1 and pull the second to make the 3. I'm going to chain 2. Okay, this is our third row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a double crochet. Oops, sorry. My arm touched the camera. Okay, pull up 1, 2, chain 2, and I'm going to make the 3s at once. I'm going to pull 1. Okay, the entire motif is going to be like this. Pull at once, chain 2. Okay, here in this space we're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, and then we're going to go and jump here, and we're going to repeat what we did here. So double crochet, pull 2, double crochet, pull 2, and then the third, and pull at once, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then we're going to make 3s at once, and pull at once. Okay, and we're going to chain 2, and we're going to jump here, and we're going to repeat all the way what we did. Chain 2, then we're going to repeat what we did. So I will let you finish the row, and I'll come back to show you the 4th row. Okay, I'm at the last. I did forgot to do the one between. Yeah, don't forget the 1 double crochet in the between. One, 2, then 3, and pull at once. Okay, chain 2, and we're going to jump here, and do a slip stitch or a single crochet. Okay, I forgot. Sorry. I have to do a single crochet between. Remember we did single crochet too? Okay, now I can jump. Do a slip stitch or single crochet, chain 2. Okay, we're going to do 2, 2 here. 2 sets. So pull at once, chain 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 2, and go to the next 2 chain, and we're going to repeat what we did. 2, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, and pull at once. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Okay, just to give you an idea. So we're here right now. Okay, we're going to chain 2 and then create the same set here on where we did the double crochet. I don't want you to get lost, so look at my motifs that I have in my hand. So we're here right now. So we did 1, 2, 3. We're doing the 4th row. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 chain. Oops. Grab those happens. Okay, chain 2 and jump here. This is how it looks like. And we're just gonna repeat. So we do nothing here where we did the single crochets on prior row. Gonna do repeat what we did. So 3, chain 2 on the same. I'm gonna do 2 and then 3 and pull at once, chain 2. So there's always chains 2 between. Go to the next chain. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Chain 2 and jump to the next. So I'll let you finish this row and we'll start on the 5th row. Okay, so I'm going to start the next row. So I did my last, pull it once, chain 2. Okay, I'm going to jump right here, chain 2, and I'm going to make 2, 1, 2, pull it once, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, pull it once. Okay, I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to make a single crochet here, chain 2, and I am going to make 1, 2, 3. Pull it once, chain 2,